Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX army. But now let's get right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer for you guys that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Today, I will be focusing on Fantom, FTM token. Where is FTM going and what is causing FTM to be in a green day, outperforming the entire markets? We will look at that. We will look at some targets we should be looking at. So let's get right into it. Looking at the price of FTM right now, currently trading at 20 cents. But look, it's up 10% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 9.5% in Bitcoin and 10.1% in Ethereum comparative over just the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $511.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 170.5 million. Without a doubt, we all know what has happened with FTM over the past 1 year. FTM was one of the top gainers in the entire crypto space from yearly 2020 lows. And I've been knowing about this project literally since day one when it was in below a penny, and it's insane. I know some personal friends that I've made through crypto that made a killing with FTM. I unfortunately again caught another loss because I sold my FTM tokens way too early, and I was picking up some FTM around these prices, but oh well, you win some and you lose some. But right now, looking at the price of FTM up 18.6% in the last 24 hours, what is going on and what are some price targets we should be looking at right now? I do want to share this tweet from Moonshadow that says, oh my, here we go. Look at the accumulation volume on the VPVR, the longest, biggest ever in FTM history. You know what this means. When the pump comes, it's going to be legendary and bullet train speed. 5% per second. This is quite a good of a tweet, but you guys can see the VPVR volume is at the all-time high for FTM. Why is that? Now you may be asking, why is FTM getting so excited? Because the project is very unique. We are in a bear market, and there's big, massive whales that are accumulating right now, and they want to keep accumulating FTM around these prices while there's major bloodbath across the board, a lot of uncertainty within the markets, and these are the people that do make it big at the end of the day when the bull market does return. Obviously, you're not going to become rich overnight. It is a long, process. It's a waiting period, but when the next bull cycle returns, I do believe that FTM is going to be one of the top performers once again. Looking at the price of FTM right now, if we go into the charts and see what has happened, if I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, since the all-time high last October, you guys can see the price has pulled down about 95% from all-time highs. So without a doubt, there is quite a bit of a retracement within the price of FTM. And that's no secret at this point. But now let's zoom into the charts and see what's going on and where are we going in the immediate short term. So right now, one thing I want to tell you guys is that, after we did break below this level of support at that 61 cents mark on May 9th, you guys can see we've been trading within this range. But also, not only have we been trading within this range, we've been in a downwards channel. You guys can see this. Clearly a downwards channel. But now comes the question. Is this move towards the upside a fake out, or could we actually start this upwards trend? And what are the levels that I should be looking at for me to really be excited? And I'll tell you that right off the bat. We need to see the price break out of this 41.8 cents mark for FTM for me to be bullish. But you guys can see we set a yearly low on November 23rd, just a few days ago, at the 16.5 cents level of support. And this level of support goes all the way back to February of last year. And it's almost 2 years ago. Excuse me, guys. Really apologize on them. Still under the weather. So if I do cough, kindly, excuse me on that. But you guys can see we are sitting at some very crucial level. This used to be a major level of resistance for us back on February of 2021. And right now, this is playing as a major level of support. We did see a bounce towards the upside, which is to be expected at these kind of support levels. But You know, let's look at this. Look at what's happening with BTC. BTC is not looking good at all. BTC could be headed back down to the yearly lows, and we could set another yearly low right now. So that is something we need to keep in mind right now, without a doubt, for the price of Bitcoin. And as I've mentioned on my channel for quite some time, Bitcoin capitulation is probably around 11K. And right now, without a doubt, we're not nowhere near there. So obviously those are some factors that we need to keep in mind right now, and that could impact FTM. Sure, FTM is outperforming the entire market right now, which is definitely great. But again, if you're telling me that we're going to be bullish is, like I said, around that 41.6 cents mark. If we break out of here, then I would be convinced that we are headed back to that 62 cents mark. But right now, considering the price of Bitcoin, you know, it is not looking very likely as of now. But remember, FTM is a proof of stake consensus. 47.28% of the circulation supply is being staked right now for the long haul. People are earning passive income off of their FTM holdings because they believe FTM is going to be way bigger as, you know, the future comes. And these are the whales that are picking up right now. You know, the VPVR is at an all-time high. These people are accumulating for the long haul. They're not here for a short-term gain, 100% gain. They're not here for that. They're here for the long, 50, 60 X's for the price of FTM. And I really do believe that FTM has what it takes to hit an all-time high next bull cycle. And this is one of the projects that I'm keeping a very, very close eye on as of now. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think it could happen. Do you guys agree with my overall analysis? And do you think this is a fake out? Let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX army. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.